Let us talk about the story of a young student from Chile. This is the story of Varinnia entitled Life-Changing Ride. Varinnia, a 19-year-old student at Chile Adventist University, took an Uber ride to school while carrying metal poles for Pathfinder flags. The driver was curious and asked about them. Varinnia explained that Pathfinders are like Boy Scouts but focus on the Bible and evangelism. The driver became interested and asked which church she belonged to. Varinnia answered, Seventh-day Adventist. The driver said, "Oh, so you're a missionary." But she replied, "No, I'm just a student." Their conversation turned to God and the Bible. Varinnia asked if the driver had a Bible, and he said yes, and that he liked reading it. She offered to study the Bible with him, and he agreed. A few days later, Varinnia began giving Bible studies at the driver's home to him, his wife, and their daughter. The Uber ride didn't only change their lives, it also changed Varinnia's relationship with her parents. At first, her parents strongly opposed her joining Pathfinders and studying at Chile Adventist University because it was so far from Santiago. But when they heard about her experience in the Uber, they were surprised and their trust in her grew. They gave her more freedom and saw that God was using her. Varinnia was very happy. "It's all God and the Holy Spirit," she said. This quarter's 13th Sabbath offering will help expand the dormitories at Chile Adventist University so more students, especially Adventist theology and education majors, can live on campus. Varinnia lives in one of the dormitories that will be expanded through your offerings. Thank you for giving generously.